Welcome back to the Dr. Jonette channel. Today we are making Bang Bang shrimp. The bang in Bang Bang shrimp is due to the spiciness of a hot sauce. I use a Green Dragon hot sauce. However, you could also use an Asian hot sauce, a Mexican hot sauce, or even wasabi. All of them make a delicious Bang Bang sauce for your shrimp. It gives your shrimp that extra kick that so many people like. If you're not into hot sauce, just skip the hot sauce and your shrimp will have less bang, but it'll still be delicious. So let's get cooking. For my simple and smart tip, in this recipe, I recommend using Florida pink jumbo shrimp. They tend to be fairly expensive and sometimes you can't find them. A good alternative would be Argentinian shrimp. And if you want to save a little bit more money, you could buy the shrimp with the shells on and they haven't been deveined. It takes a little bit of work to devein them, but you will save yourself some money. If all else fails and you can't find any of that, just buy yourself some regular jumbo farm-raised shrimp. It will still be delicious. our Neuronutrition Nugget, let's talk about why shrimp is so good for your brain. Shrimp has 3 things in it that are great for your brain. The first thing is shrimp is high in antioxidants. Antioxidants are those things that protect your brain against free radicals. Free radicals cause inflammation. Inflammation causes cognitive decline, dementia, and all kinds of problems, not just in your brain, but also your body. Number 2 is what most of us know shrimp to be healthy and high in, and many of us eat shrimp for that reason. That is the omega-3 fatty acids. These are important fatty acids for cell communication, for the membrane of the brain cell, for development of the brain cell, and maintenance of our neurons within our brain or the brain cells. And number 3 is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is important for the production of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are how the cells talk to each other. So for the cells to talk to each other, communicate, they need vitamin B12, and shrimp provides all of that. So enjoy your shrimp and know that you are giving your brain some really great healthy food. Thank you for watching and for clicking the like button as well as subscribing. Don't forget to sign up for notifications so that you won't miss any of my healthy recipes that are good for your brain and your body. Also, when you go to my website at growwithdrjonette.com, you will be able to explore all of my garden to table ideas and techniques. I'm an organic gardener, and I take what I grow into my kitchen and create recipes for you that are healthy and delicious. I also teach about health and longevity. So click that health button on my website. Explore my 6 pillars for longevity. And we'll see you next time on the Dr. Jonette channel.